A SWIFT transfer is a secure global messaging network used by banks for international payments. But even in this high-speed financial system, failures happen. Let's break down real reasons why SWIFT transfers fail and how to avoid them. Most failed transfers happen because the recipient's details, like name, account number, or SWIFT BIC code, are wrong or incomplete. A single typo can derail the entire transaction. Always confirm beneficiary details with the receiving bank before initiating the transfer. SWIFT often uses correspondent or intermediary banks to bridge between two banks that don't have a direct relationship. If the intermediary bank rejects the transaction due to compliance concerns or internal policy mismatches, your money may get stuck or returned without clarity. Always ask your bank which intermediary is involved. Many countries have updated sanctions or financial restrictions. Even if the recipient bank is not on a watch list, certain transactions may get flagged due to the transaction purpose, currency, or receiver's nationality. For instance, sanctioned entities under OFAC or EU lists may result in blocked payments. Banks carry out multiple layers of anti-money laundering and know-your-customer checks. If a transaction doesn't meet their internal risk rules, even if legal, it may get delayed, flagged, or reversed. This is common when large or unusual amounts are sent suddenly. Many users unknowingly enter incorrect ISO currency codes or wrong purpose codes while initiating the transfer. This mismatch causes automated systems to reject the SWIFT message. Always double-check the currency and purpose codes relevant to your country. In India, for example, RBI's FEM guidelines must be followed strictly. A hidden but crucial reason is timeout errors in the unique end-to-end transaction reference chain. If one bank in the chain fails to respond in time, the message expires. This results in an invisible failure. Ask your bank for UETR tracking updates via SWIFT GPI. Some older banking systems are not yet fully SWIFT ISO 2022 compliant. If your transaction uses an updated messaging format while the receiver bank only reads legacy empty messages, it can fail midway.